Hi there. So today I'll be talking about a traditional oil lamp that we majorly use in South India, especially in the regions in Kerala, called as Nilavilaka. So every Hindu houses will have one of these for lighting every day during the dawn and the dusk time, in especially for offering the prayers in the puja room, and someone and traditionally it used to get lighted by the ladies of the house, and it's kept at the front portion of your house, mainly the veranda or the main entry hall, for the prosperity as well as the peace in the house. So it is called as Nila Vilaka because it has a base which is called as Nila, which can be kept on. So that is called as Nila as a stand, and on top of it you have got an oil well where you can pour the oil and keep the wicks and light it. So that is why it is called as Nila Vilaka. There are different types of oil lamps, and this one is called as a Nila Vilaka. Now, coming to why I am showing you this piece, because everyone must be knowing what is a Nilavelaka and what is an oil lamp. Now, this piece is like an antique one. It's an almost like an 80 year old oil lamp which has been used by many generations. So, I got this from an antique dealer recently. Now, the specialty of this oil lamp or Nilavelaka is that the entire piece is a single solid one. Now, whatever the oil lamps that we get today or in the market is detachable. It comes in either in a three piece or a two piece, which can be tightened via screws and can be dismantled. But this one is a single solid piece. It's a single bronze cast, which is very rare, and it is normally known as the first generation of Nilavalaka. So during the very old times, during the first generation making or manufacturing process done by the traditional craftsmen, they used to do it in a single. The cast used to be a single mold. So this is a single mold. You can see there is no joint or screw or detachable portion here, so it's a single piece, and here you can see it's a hollow part, but there is no joint as well. So this is pretty rare piece, which you cannot get nowadays. Only an antique dealer can get you probably. So this is one of the interesting features, which is why I thought I should show you. This is a small lamp which can be used daily, which comes around, this the height of this is around 8.5 inches, and the weight is around 750 grams, and this is 80 year old lamp minimum. And you can see there is an script of the owner that bought the lamp or donated the lamp. It is written in Malayalam. Now, coming to the traditional lamps. Now, why Nilavilaka has a very prominent use in Hindu homes? Because as per the tradition and as per the legends, in Nilavilaka, the base of the lamp of a Nilavilaka represents the Brahma. The stem of the lamp represents the Vishnu, and the top portion of the lamp represents Shiva. Now, when you pour the oil and light a wick, the flame that is lit represents Lakshmi, and the light that comes from the lamp represents Saraswati, and the heat or the warmth that the flame produces represents Parvati. So, a Nilavilaka is contains all the devatas as well as the Trimurtis, and that is why it is lit every day, no matter what, during the morning as well as the evening, in every household during the prayer time, as it helps in bringing prosperity and peace and happiness to the people who are residing in each of those houses. So that is why Nilavilaka has a prominent tradition and legacy in every Hindu homes. Now all this information are lost, so I thought why not introduce it back so that it would be helpful for people who are interested. So This is a small lamp. There are different varieties of Nilavalaka. Now I just thought to introduce this because this is a rare version which I recently got it. So I thought it would be interesting for people who likes tradition and antiques. I hope this was useful and informative. Thank you.